let's have a closer look at the print driver. Again, I've got a PDF open. I'm going to click on File, come down to Print or Command P, and we have this view here. If we want to see more details, simply click on Show Details. And here we can see more settings. Now, to get to the Xerox settings, we need to come down here and click on Xerox Features. This will now show us the Xerox options for our Xerox multifunction device. The first category we have is paper/output. So these are different tabs. And this is the same layout that we have on the Windows print driver. So we'll select paper/output. And I'm just going to cover off some job types. We have normal print, which means we click print, the job prints. There's nothing that needs to be configured. It's just probably how you will do 90% of your printing. We can also specify secure print. Here we have to enter in a 4 to 10 digit code. When we click OK and we click on print, the job will go off to the multifunction device, but it does not print.
To release your secure print, once you get to the machine, you're going to go to Job Status, and you're going to go to the Secure Print Job tab. From there, you'll see your username and how many jobs you have pending. When you touch, the machine will ask you to enter your passcode. So the code that you entered at your print driver, you're going to enter it here too. So we had entered 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and press OK. You're going to see your list of documents. So from here, you have the option to delete all of them, release all of them, which means you want them all printed, or you can actually select one at a time. Let's say I don't want this one, I can delete this one, confirm, delete. So then let's say I want the rest of them, I would just say release all. If I just want to print this one for now, I can select it and say release and just get that one.
Another option is delay print. Here we can specify what time we want this job to print. So if it's a large job and we don't want to back everybody up in the office, we can say 3 a.m., click OK, click print down here. The multifunction device will receive our print job and it will wait until 3 a.m. then it will start to print. We can also have a sample set. An example of when you would want to use sample set is you're printing some type of, say a small booklet, and you need to do a large quantity. So if by selecting sample set, when we hit print, the job is sent to the multifunction device. It will print one set, and then the job will go into a paused status in the job queue. Other jobs can still come in and print. You don't hold anybody up. Then you can take your one print, have a look at it and make sure the fonts are good, everything is like you expect, there's no spelling mistakes. Then you'll go into job status, find your job, touch it, and touch release, and the rest of your job will print. We can also do a save job. So here we can specify to use the document name. We can set up to be in the default public folder. Okay, we can say save or save and print. In this case here, we'll just do save. It's going to be public. Don't need to worry about any passcode. And we're going to click on OK. And to print the job, I'll go into Print From. I'll touch Save Jobs. I'll select the folder, and I'll see my job there. And I touch it, and I can hit Print, and the job will print. The last job type is fax. There's a lot of options that we can set up, so we're going to talk about that separately. To recap, what I've shown you is how to view the details, how to select your Xerox features, and the different tabs that we have. And we've only taken a quick look at paper output tab, and we've talked about job type.